Yes, welcome everybody. Welcome by the free walking tour here in Amsterdam. I will explain you all kind of different dark side stories. What was going on in the past over here. I will show you and explain you different stories about where people were being killed and how to kill. Are you going with me? And then we're breaking all your bones to fit you in this wheel over there. Do you see? It's a very narrow building. A very narrow building, yeah, very narrow. The front changes, but the back is very narrow.
Gerben, hard to say, but worth remembering because he was outstanding. He was funny and smart and really open to questions and kept us like really engaged and learning a ton about the dark side of Amsterdam.
One gracht, two grachten, grachten. Oh wow, very good, very good. Grachten. This guy was drinking too much.
Gerben did beautifully. He was a lot of fun, very good sense of humor, very informative.
Would you recommend it?
I would recommend it highly. It's probably one of the best things I've done this week. Definitely.
Don't kill. I don't recommend you kill. Don't kill. No questions. We are continuing. We're going this way. And don't kill.
Okay.
But I heard there are more guns than human beings.
Yes.
Over here there are more bicycles than human beings.
Yeah.
It's depending how you like to be killed with. Bicycles or guns, both are possible. Yeah. Bicycle or guns, yeah.